Hey folks, welcome back to my channel. I'm Curt and welcome to the Thrifty Traveler's Kitchen, also known as Curt's Kitchen. Today I'm going to make a Taiwanese inspired dish called yufan, which is basically a rice dish that's with pork and some dried shrimp. Sometimes they add extra seafood to it like dried scallops or stuff like that, or they can even make it with Chinese sausage. Today I'm going to make it with stir-fried pork, some dried shrimp, some yellow potato, my universal stir-fry sauce. I'm going to use that for the marinade. I've got some sesame oil here, some frozen peas, frozen green onions, and I've prepared some dried mushrooms. I'd had them soaking in water. I'm going to slice them up and put them into the recipe, and of course some minced garlic. So let's start with the marinade of the meat here. First of all, I'll just set this stuff aside for a moment. Make some room here. So I've got 300 grams of stir-fry pork that I bought in a package at the store. Put that into our little glass bowl here. And to marinate that, I'm going to use 1/3 cup of the universal stir-fry sauce. I'll put a link in the video here so you can find out how to make that. You can use it for so many different recipes, so I just keep some on hand in a jar in the fridge. Then I'm going to add about 1/2 teaspoon of sesame oil. I just used my eyeballs on that one. And then I'm going to add about 1.5 teaspoons of minced garlic. Grab ourselves some chopsticks here and we get that mixed up so that marinade can start to work on that pork while we set it aside and get the rest of the stuff ready into the freezer bags. I'm looking to make about 3 portions here, so I grabbed 3 freezer bags. I've got my handy dandy little vacuum sealer ready to go over here. Make sure all that pork is mixed in to that seasoning and that marinade. Let's get rid of the garbage here. And then we'll start putting the rest of the ingredients into our freezer bags. So I had to come up with an easier way of filling up these bags, considering I don't have any of those sealable bag holders that you can get on Amazon. What I do is I just put a little handy dandy clip on there so it opens up the bag and I can start putting things inside. So what I got here is, like I said, the yellow potatoes. I just took some little ones here. I left the skin on and I just put them into little cubes. If you like to peel the potatoes, or you're using a larger potato, you want it peeled, by all means go right ahead and peel it up. I'm going to use for a scoop. So that's a 1/4 cup, a heaping 1/4 cup. So I'm going to put a heaping, 1/2 cup of the potatoes in there. For the dry shrimp, we don't want to overdo it here, so I think I'm going to put about 1/2 teaspoon of dried shrimp. In the bag, more like a seasoning than anything else. I've got some frozen diced green onion. Let's use a tablespoon of that. Go with a good healthy heaping tablespoon, sorry, of the diced onion. Put in some frozen peas. Let's go 2 tablespoons of the frozen peas. get our mushrooms ready to go here. We'll give those a quick slice. Another thing you might want to do is maybe take that stem out of there. So I put 3 mushrooms in this bag here. I got a couple bigger ones for each of the other bags. And we'll grab that marinated pork and we'll pop about 1/3 of that into the bag. As far as prepping that for the freezer, that's all we want inside one of those bags, because we're going to be adding a 1/2 cup of rice when we pop it into the rice cooker. So I'll finish packaging up the other bags, and I'm going to set one aside so that we can throw it in the rice cooker and cook it up and see how it turns out. Okay, so I split that up into 3 meals. I got 2 packaged away for the freezer. Some simple instructions on there for my husband so he can put it together when in his rice cooker in his hotel room. But now let's try out the recipe and see how it works out, okay? So we're gonna add to that, we're gonna go with 1 of the rice cooker cups of jasmine rice. And we're gonna add enough water to bring it up to the 1 cup level inside the pot, or that roughly works out to about 3/4 of a cup of water. Like a little bit more. There we go. Now let's throw the rest of our ingredients in there. We've got those potatoes. So 1/2 cup of the potatoes. Put a tablespoon, let's go 2 tablespoons of the frozen peas. Tablespoon of the green onion. 1/2 teaspoon of the dried shrimp. And then we're going to take our marinated pork on top of there. And then our sliced up mushrooms, the dried shiitake mushrooms that we had and that we prepared with water. We had the couple of those all sliced up and ready to go in there. Pop the lid on and switch it to cook. Cook it for 1 cycle, and that should finish off that pork and everything all at once. It's sort of a set it and forget it. So let's come back when that's done. We'll take a look and see how it all turned out. Okay guys, so the rice cooker just popped onto the warm cycle. That means it's gone through its cook cycle. So let's open her up and take a look, see how our Yufan turned out. Mix that up a little bit. Check that pork. That pork's definitely cooked. Get us a nice scoop of that. Got a piece of that pork. We'll give that a little bit of a taste. Smells good. Start with a bit of that rice with some mushroom and a potato. The potatoes are just right, just cooked through nice and soft. Let's taste that pork. Nice and tender. Oh, that's great. Got my mouth full now. Guys, you have to give this a try. Yufan. Taiwanese dish. Tastes great. I didn't overdo it with the shrimp. It's just got a nice little hint of that shrimp flavor in there. The dried shiitake mushrooms give it a great flavor. You can definitely pick up that earthy flavor of those mushrooms. The pork is cooked perfectly, nice and tender. The little potatoes, just look at that. Oh! I'm gonna finish this up. Guys, thank you so much for tuning in and checking out my latest recipe. I'm gonna post the actual recipe for this here, and I'll also post that universal stir fry sauce. I'll put a single batch recipe down in the descriptions. So take a look, give it a try. Please let me know what you think. You can easily cook this for yourself at home, or like the 2 packages that I made for my husband to take out on the road. He's going to be able to throw some rice in the rice cooker, put one of those packages in on top of it, put some water in it, press the cook cycle, and while he's sitting there relaxing or probably playing a couple of video games, he's going to get his dinner all ready in that rice cooker. It'll be ready to go for him, and it's going to be great. I'm sure he's going to love it. Thanks again for tuning in. Please like and subscribe, because I'd like to see you come back and watch some more. I've got some more great recipes to put together, and I can't wait to see you again. Thanks, guys.